everybody, welcome back to Frostbite Garage. Today on the channel, we're going to be taking the bed off this Lowrider. The bolts are all rusted out, so we resorted to plasma cutting the bolts off. You know, lightning scissor. Top head of the bolts off. We got one of them off already. Cut the head of the bolt off that one. And now we're going to work on that one. See it moving. Just like that. Just punch it through the other side. That's a wham bam, thank you ma'am. Two of them are out, just that quick. All right, we're gonna set up the camera and cut out the other 6 that are left. 5, I got one out. So here we go. All right, all the bed bolts are off. Next, we gotta fish the wires through, get them out of the way, and then we're gonna pick the bed off and take it outside. It's got a shaved tailgate. There's no handle anywhere. So I think I might try to, you can see the latches down in there a little bit. Maybe try to pry them open so we get the tailgate off. If we get the tailgate off, it might be a little bit lighter to move. So we'll try that. If not, we'll just manhandle it, I guess. We'll see how it goes. Get that one. Came out relatively easily. We're gonna try and just pick it up?
Yeah, we're just gonna pick it up and walk with it.
You sure?
No.
You got gloves? I can, hold on. Jeez.
My goodness. Look at that.
That tailgate hasn't been open in who knows how many years.
30 years, probably. As long as I've owned the truck.
Told you I can get it.
Well, I thought they would have maybe done something so it wouldn't. That's what I was worried about.
No, usually you flip the handle to the inside.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
go the other. I usually go the other way.
I was trying to do it. You turned it too quick. I couldn't get it done.
Then I think your way.
They have to change that at all. Pull straight up.
Yeah, you go up now. Not quite over.
Oh, wow, that's right.
Maybe.
Just keep doing that.
Yeah, it's coming.
I'm hitting it. Hold on.
Oh.
There you go. I'm glad they didn't. I like that one first.
Yeah, so as you can see, bed's off the truck, just outside for now. We're gonna put up on the sawhorses eventually. I'm not that tall, so I gotta figure out how to do that. But anyway, here you can see the C-notch. It's not boxed in. It should be boxed in, just because it makes it stronger. But no, can't see it. But yeah, so we'll be redoing that C-notch. We'll box that C-notch in. It used to have a fifth wheel plate. That's what those are. Those brackets there.
Can't tell.
They look like they're welded on, so they're not coming off.
No.
But all this gravel is
From the Alaskan Highway.
yes, the Alaska Highway towing it back up here a couple years ago.
On a trailer.
Yeah, on the trailer. So we're gonna try and set up the bed outside, and then probably work on we're try to get the cab off today too. Hopefully that'll work. We'll see how that goes. That was kind of heavy. As Nick laughs at me.
I'm the old man.
I'm short.
So these are both the buttons actuators for the doors.
Yeah, they
That's
don't
how
work.
open. Well, they do when you have power range to them.
Those are the longest glass packs I've ever seen.
I know. I'm sure they're from 1988.
Look at the size of those glass packs. They're like 3 feet long. Probably why it sounded so good.
Yeah.
Here you can see the frame or the spring under kit that's on it, and the blocks lowering it down even more. All right, we're gonna be pulling out the drive line and the exhaust so we can pull this out, push it outside, pressure wash it. All right, she's outside. start doing some pressure washing. All right, everybody, as you can see, got the Lowrider back in the shop, all pressure washed, and ready for the next step. So if you enjoyed this episode of Frostbite Garage, go ahead and give a like and subscribe, and leave a comment if you want. Let us know if we're doing anything you're interested in. But at this time, frame's all cleaned up, so I'll show you around it. As you can see, she cleaned up pretty good. I think our next step is we're gonna start tearing stuff off and getting the frame prepped with some rust inhibitor and all that. And then, we're gonna try and take the cab off. We're having a problem with cab mounts. We might end up leaving it on, just go around everything. But we got to find out on the next episode.